Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalapun kere ban pun kuit no ya ka bil ka barang Sahteng ka bakot palat knai spa Klur tingka syaki kontraktor ki bapentre ya ka Jal Jeevan Mission ha ka Jylla. Ya ka dira pentip da Menteri Sorkar ubakmi ya ka tnat Public Health Engineering Marcus and Marang habakran chikla pathai kubor. Bat ha ka juk por uloong ba ka jing Siew ya ka pisa kan sa sedang no shen tang shupendep ya ki jing don kam kat kum ki kendon.
As you are aware that we have signed an MOU for JJM 2.0. So now the implementation will be based on that JJM 2.0 MOU signing. Now, all the projects which have been completed 75 to 100% and single villages, they will be given payments once the office procedure is completed. The procedures which require for payments, the department is already doing it, and they're almost completing the process. These processes are very mandatory because Government of India, Ministry of Jal Shakti has mandated that processes. So therefore it's taking some time, but it will be done.
So speaking about the phase one, how much progress achieved and what are the problems?
It's basically it's 2.0 because the JJM 2.1 is the main one, which all the projects which have been approved and sanctioned will be completed through implementations and all. And basically 2.0 is a continuation of the project mission that was carried out and it was not completed, so therefore the completion will be met necessary. So therefore this is 2.0, and there are certain points which Government of India has already stressed on, that those are operation and maintenance. So this operation and maintenance part is a very humongous task, I would say. Sustainability of the project, sustainability of the sources are the issues. Those are stressed by the Government of India.
There are also concerned status.
Yeah, pending bills, as I have already said, they have stressed for the reconciliation of these expenditures. Those projects which have completed 75 to 100%, those reconciliation process have already been done by the department. Those are the certain conditions which Government of India was wanting, and department has already worked on that reconciliation of the expenditures. And then the creation of a Switzerland ID. For each project, the Switzerland ID need to be created. So for that matter also we have already completed for 50% of the projects.
How much pending now conducted?
Switzerland ID is on the process now. Will be completing almost all the projects for creating of Switzerland ID.
The contractor's bill, how much pending?
Pending is more than 900 crores now, but the process of payment will start very soon after completion of all the procedures that I have already mentioned to you.
The critics also say that pipes are laid but no water, affecting the scheme itself.
See, there are certain reasons for that matter. Some of the projects, though pipe have laid down, but then project have not been completed. The works are going on. And some of the projects, as you are alleging that though pipes are laid already, but then no water, means, maybe the sources issue. There we are working on it. And some of the projects which need to be owned by our communities, we have already sensitized our communities, VWCs, and we have been requesting them time and again that we need to take responsibility of those projects which have already created for every villages. So therefore, these are the issues which need to be addressed and which will be addressed.